Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video, we are going to study about autosomal recessive disorders. So autosomal recessive disorders, that means the single mutant allele is not able to express. The gene or the disease will only express when both the alleles are present together because it is a recessive disorder. And from the name autosomal, that means these are present on non-sex chromosomes. Now for this, when both the alleles are normal, the individual will be normal. If both the alleles are defective, in that case, the individual will get the disorder or disease. And if one allele is normal and one allele is defective, in that case also the individual will be normal because this is a recessive disorder. Now let's see few of the examples of autosomal recessive disorders. First set of disorders have phenylketonuria, tyrosinemia, alkaptonuria, and albinism. So this is the pathway. The pathway where phenylalanine converts into tyrosine with the help of enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase, tyrosine getting converted into melanin with the help of enzyme tyrosinase. Tyrosine also converts into homogentisic acid with the help of enzyme hydrophenyl pyruvate oxidase. Homogentisic acid converts into fumarate and acetoacetate with the help of enzyme homogentisate oxidase. Now, when phenylalanine hydroxylase, the gene for this enzyme gets mutated, that when phenylalanine cannot able to convert into tyrosine. In that case, phenylalanine concentration increases or it's accumulate in our body. That is the condition we call it as a phenylketonuria. Tyrosine getting converted to melanin. When the gene for tyrosinase don't work, in that case, tyrosine cannot able to convert into melanin. That's when we get the disease known as albinism. Melanin is for pigments, coloration. So if you don't have melanin, so we'll get albinism, that is a colorless. Tyrosine gets converted into homogentisic acid. Now when this particular protein or enzyme is getting affected due to mutated gene, that's when tyrosine accumulation occur in our body. That condition is known as tyrosinemia. The conversion of homogentisic acid into fumarate due to enzyme homogentisate oxidase, when the gene for this enzyme gets mutated, we get the disease called alkaptonuria. Now another autosomal recessive disorder is cystic fibrosis. CFTR gene gets mutated in cystic fibrosis. What is CFTR? Cystic fibrosis transmembrane conductance regulator. It functions as chloride ion channel. When this particular gene gets mutated, the chloride ion channel becomes defective. It cannot function. And this defect affects the lung, causing heavy mucus deposit and hence result in difficulty in breathing. Next disease is Tay-Sachs disease. It is due to the gene hexa present on chromosome number 15. It encodes for hexaminidase enzyme which degrades GM2 ganglioside. What is GM2 ganglioside? GM2 is a type of ganglioside. What is ganglioside? It is glycosphingolipid present on neuronal cell membrane. Now, in the absence or deficiency of hexaminidase enzyme, the GM2 starts accumulating in neurons, resulted in destruction of neurons and brain cells. Next disease is thalassemia. Now, if alpha globin gets mutated, we get alpha thalassemia. If beta globin gene gets mutated, we get beta thalassemia. Now, beta thalassemia is a type of sickle cell anemia, or it's a special case. That is, a sickle cell anemia is a special case of beta thalassemia. This sickle cell anemia, it caused due to sixth codon mutation in the gene, where GAG gets converted into GTG. That means A to T transversion. Now, this GAG, it actually codes for glutamic acid, which is a polar charged amino acid. But when GAG gets mutated to GTG, it codes for valine. GTG codes for valine. Valine is a type of hydrophobic amino acid. And because of its hydrophobic nature, because it is hydrophobic, it is insoluble in water. So it will aggregate. And that's result in sickle-shaped RBC. So sickle cell anemia is a special case of beta thalassemia due to the mutation from GAG to GTG. That is, A is mutated to T, which is a kind of transversion mutation. Next is Alzheimer. Now, it occurs due to two genes, that is PS1 and PS2. It is also known as AD3 and AD4. PS1 located on chromosome 14, PS2 located on the chromosome number 1. They code for beta amyloid family protein. The mutation in these genes result in neurological disorders. Parkinson, the gene is PARC7 present on chromosome number 7. code for alpha-synuclein. Now, mutation in this gene result in degeneration of nerve cells. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. If you have any doubt, please do let me know in the comment section. And if you found the video informative, please do like, share and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for the next video notification. Till then, stay safe, stay happy.